Okay, YouTube, I've seen videos on how to make the mini blow dart with the needle and the shoelace. And I had an idea, but let me first show you what it does. This is what it does.
Hopefully it doesn't go behind the desk.
Yeah, it didn't work very well, but...
Ghetto Halloween straw.
Okay, but I had an idea. I'm going to shoot it through with my airsoft gun. I have this to stuff it in. So I'm gonna put it in there. It's kind of hard. Okay, got it in.
It's like it's a freaking musket.
Okay, now I'm gonna shoot it at this wall over here. And hopefully it'll stick to it. Okay. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, there we go. See that? Can you see that? It's right. Right there, stuck in there. Isn't that cool?